The war in Gaza is no longer just about Gaza. It is spreading, and Yemen's Houthis, well, they are making sure that Israel feels the heat. On September 18, the Houthis announced that they had fired a long-range hypersonic ballistic missile along with 3 drones at Israel. According to their claim, well, the missile struck a military site in Jaffa, which is part of Tel Aviv, while drones targeted Beer Sheva and the port of city of Eilat. Now, think about this for a moment. Well, hypersonic missiles, they are not ordinary weapons, right? They travel at 5 times the speed of sound, making them almost impossible to intercept. Now, if the Houthis really launch one, it means the battlefield is changing, and that too dramatically. And Israel's defense systems, well, they are being tested like never before. And yes, in the meantime, the Israeli military did confirm that at least one Houthi drone did hit a hotel gate in Eilat. Luckily, there was no casualty, but the fact that a Yemeni drone could reach deep into Israeli territory over 1,600 kilometers away, tearing apart the Iron Dome, is alarming. Air raid sirens went off across Israel, including in Tel Aviv, sending millions of people rushing into shelters. Now, the question is, why are Houthis doing this? They say that it's their way of standing with Palestinians in Gaza. Since October 2023, the rebel group, which controls much of northwestern Yemen, has been firing missiles and drones at Israel. In return, Israel has been bombing Houthi-led areas. Now, this has turned Yemen, already devastated by its own civil war, into another front in the Middle East conflict. So, here's the biggest takeaways. Well, Israel may be fighting Hamas in Gaza, but it is now also facing the fire from Yemen. With Hezbollah in Lebanon and militia in Syria and Iraq also really active, Israel is kind of surrounded by Iran-backed group on almost every single side. The Houthis' latest strike is not just a symbolic move. It is a sign that this war could spiral far beyond Gaza, dragging the entire region into a storm.